Now, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title, I'll be showing you guys how I achieve this look that you guys seen in the thumbnail. First things first, I'm going in by trimming his ends. If you guys did not see that, the video is down below in the description box below. So first thing first, I'm going in with the middle part, and then you guys will see me clean it up, going back in to make sure that it's straight, and then you guys will see me go in with some edge control to clean up the part. Alright, so for this look, it's basically just 4 cornrows going back, but within the first 2 braids, there's a zigzag pattern. So as you guys see me going in, I'm just cleaning up the zigzag part, and then the braids on the end, it's going to be a little thinner than the actual braids, so you guys can just watch me do that. So you guys see me just going in, making a part, and then you guys will see me go in and make some zigzag parts with a comb. And then as always, I'll go in with some edge control to make sure I can clean up the parts, and then I'll go back in to make sure that there's no flyaways, and then I'll start braiding. Alright, so as you guys can see, I'm starting off by braiding their hair, and all I'm doing is just braiding it back, and as you guys can see, that's how it's going to look, my zigzag part. And then you guys are going to see me just braid the other half of the braid, go back in with some extra edge control to make sure that the braid is clean and the part is going to be sharp. And then you guys will see what I will do with the 2 braids at the end, so stay tuned. Okay, so now it's time to connect the braids. Honestly, his hair was kind of dry, so what I went to go get some Cantu, just some hair cream to moisturize the hair, so while the hair is braided up, it is moisturized. So as you guys can see, all I did was take my first braid and then I just mixed it together with the second braid, and then that is it. All you guys do is just blend it up just a little bit so it can blend seamlessly at the end of the braid. Alright guys, so that is it. That is how one side is going to look. I'm going to repeat the same exact steps on the opposite side. But first things first, I started off by moisturizing his hair first, and then I went in with the parts and then the zigzag parts. And then you guys will see me braid. So just stay tuned, get y'all snack, and enjoy this video. Alright, so as you guys can see, I went in with my part, going back in with my edge control, and then I'm just going to start braiding, making sure that my parts are crisp and clean, put some edge control on the outside, and then just braid it back. Okay, so now that I'm done with the actual braid, as I said, I'm just blending the two braids together, the first braid and the second braid, and then you guys will see me go in with some oil of choice. I'm just using Do Grow. I'll put it in the description box below, and then I'm going to put mousse on the hair to just lay it down. Just in case if I have any flyaways, I'll put that in the description box below as well. With the two braids in the back, I just took a regular ponytail or a scrunchie and I just made a loose bun, and that is it. He's gonna tie his hair, and that is it for this video. Alright guys, so this is the look, the zigzag part with cornrows. That's what he wanted, as you guys can see from the thumbnail, and then I showed you guys what he got. Please like, comment, share, subscribe this video off to your friends. Let them know about Mesha Curlz and what she's doing on this channel. I will see you guys on Sunday, and I will see y'all later.